Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a creative slide zoom label animation in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and inserting an image onto your slide. Once you've done that, simply duplicate the slide. Now, let's make the image a little bigger. Next, head over to the Shapes menu and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Drag it onto the slide, and change its color to white. Right-click on the shape and select Format Options. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen. Click on the Fill option, and set the transparency of the shape to 6%. Now, let's add some text. Insert a text box and type in your text. Position it right where you want it on the shape. Now, go to the Insert tab, click on Icons, and choose the target icon. Insert it onto the slide. Increase the size of the icon, and change its color to white. Move it into place on the shape. Next, duplicate the slide again. Move the shape to the target point on the right side, and adjust the shape to line up with the target. Now, change the headline text, and select everything to move it over to the left side of the slide. Let's duplicate the slide once more. This time, move the shape to the target point on the left side near a small plant. Change the headline again, then zoom out the slide and shift everything to the right side. Now, it's time to repeat the process. Duplicate the slide again, move the shape to the target point near a painting, adjust the shape, change the headline, and then duplicate the slide once more. For the final slide, change the target point to a small notebook. Arrange the shape and update the headline text. When you're all done, select all the slides, go to the Transitions tab, and click on the Morph effect. And that's it. You've just created an amazing slide zoom effect. See how easy that was? It's a fun and simple way to add some creative flair to your presentation. Thanks so much for watching this video on Creative Slide Zoom Label Animation in PowerPoint. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video, and thanks again for tuning in.